Okay. Alright, we can look at the potato. Let's see if it's straighten up. How much potatoes are growing? Oh, they're small.
But one is big.
No, that's the. I could replant this. One. I could replant this, I guess. Two. Look, the small ones.
Mom, let me. I put it a little bit more closer.
Okay. Oh. Let's make it closer. So this one I could replant this. To replant the potatoes. Let's see. This side. Hey! Right here. Go to this.
Whoa, what'd you see?
Oh, look at that.
They're big.
Look
Mama,
at those.
Mom, I put 4.0. That makes 4.0 closer.
Oh, look at this.
Mom, I put 4.0 closer so you can see it big.
Big.
I know.
Maybe I could replant this.
I know, huh?
I'll just put it back. I just need to. So look at the potatoes. Look.
Hey, wait, Mom, get your head away.
Oh, I'm sorry. Look at this one.
This is a small one. Oh.
Small ones.
Small ones. Oh, there's a big one.
Yeah, but we need to replant those. See, maybe I could find some over here.
Whoa. No.
This is our first potatoes, huh, Oscar?
I know, huh?
Let's look for some more.
Should I stop?
Not yet.
Man.
Maybe there's some more. Never know.
No, there isn't. Whoa.
Oops.
Oh, it's a big one.
Oh no, this is one of the seeds that didn't grow. Well, maybe on this side.
No.
We got potatoes.
They're big.
We got potatoes. We got big potatoes. Okay, I think that's it.